Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a poll on Instagram group chat. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Instagram application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to go to my Instagram group chat. I'm going to select this icon or open up the Instagram direct message right here, and then you can go to your group chat you want to make a poll on. For example guys, I'm going to create a poll on this group chat. So I'm going to open up this group chat, and then in the previous version of Instagram, if we want to create poll, we can click on the sticker menu right here, and then we can select poll. But in the newest version of Instagram, we can click on this plus icon and then select poll. Okay, and then here you can add the poll question. For example, I'm just going to add what's your favorite color, like this. Okay, you can add the poll question according to your need, and then you are going to add the option right here. I'm going to add option, for example, red, and then green, and then I'm going to add yellow, and then purple. You can add the options as much as you like. I'm going to add gray as well. And once you're ready to share your poll to your group chat, you can click on create poll. Okay, and now the poll has been created guys, and the poll has been sent to this group chat. And I'm going to try to vote on this poll. If we want to vote, we can click on the vote option and then select the option like this. And I'm going to click on submit. Okay, and you will be able to change the vote if you want. Click on the change vote. I'm going to change it to purple. Okay, then click on submit. Okay, that's easy, right? And the other participants in this group will be able to vote on the poll you have created on your group chat. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create a poll on Instagram group chat. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.